Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jinx in Wild Rift. Jinx is a powerful attack damage carry, or ADC, known for her incredible late-game scaling and area of effect damage. Your primary goal in the early game is to farm minions efficiently, aiming for at least 80 minions by the 10-minute mark to build your core items quickly. Always prioritize safe positioning, staying behind your tanks and supports, to maximize your damage output without being caught out. Remember to switch between her minigun and rocket launcher forms strategically for optimal damage and wave clear. Jinx's abilities are key to her explosive playstyle. Her first ability, Switcheroo, lets you toggle between her rapid-fire minigun for single-target damage and her rocket launcher for splash damage and increased range. Use Zap, her second ability, to slow and reveal enemies, aiding team engagements or disengagements. Flame Chompers, her third ability, are excellent for crowd control, rooting up to 3 enemies for 1.5 seconds. Finally, her ultimate, Super Mega Death Rocket, can be fired globally to execute low-health targets or deal massive area damage. Proper itemization is crucial for Jinx to unleash her full potential. Your core build should focus on critical strike chance and attack speed to amplify her damage. Start with Kraken Slayer for burst, then quickly build into Infinity Edge for massive critical strike. Run-On's Hurricane is an excellent third item for increased area damage. For runes, Lethal Tempo provides sustained damage in extended fights, while Brutal offers early game power. Bone Plating grants damage reduction, and Sweet Tooth provides extra gold and health from Honeyfruit, aiding lane sustain. In team fights, Jinx's positioning is paramount. Always aim to stay at maximum range behind your front line to avoid being targeted by enemy assassins or bruisers. Prioritize damaging the closest available enemy, even if it's a tank, rather than overextending for a squishier backline. Use your Flame Chompers defensively to create a barrier against diving enemies. Once you secure a takedown, Jinx's passive, Get Excited, grants a massive movement speed and attack speed boost, allowing you to reposition safely or chase down remaining enemies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.